Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today. It is called Donarz. Donarz is formed by a creator hailing from a donut-shaped universe. An army of donors have been sent to Earth with a big bang. Why have they been sent to our planet? And before I answer that question, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is called donarz.com. In today's video, we're going to go in great detail and show you what this NFT is all about and why this NFT is gonna be massive. I'm gonna go in great detail. I'm gonna explain to you why and who the team is and what impact they've had to make this one of the biggest NFTs. Now, this is a futuristic NFT, and obviously Donarz is a collection of 7,000 donut NFTs, unique digital collectibles living on the Ethereum blockchain. Donarz aim to be on the Web3 platform that connect all donations related activities across non-profit, corporates, and celebrities through their NFT. This one statement clearly shows what their aim and what their objective is all about. This is a donation-based activity across non-profits. So this is their strategy, and that is what they want to achieve. Your donors grant access to the exclusive donut club with members only benefits such as access to the NFT drops, private events with celebrities and companies in the metaverse, and much more that will be revealed over time. The community ownership will allow dope and fearless donors to help make the earth a better place. Now, looking down at this graphical illustration that they've done of a donut coming to the ground on earth and hitting it, the storyline is quite interesting. It is formed by a creator hailing from a donut-shaped universe. An army of donors have been sent to the earth with a big bang. Why have they been sent to our planet? That is the question. These mischievous little creatures will soon envelop the earth with their sweetness. As the people of earth are getting intoxicated by the donors' charm, they will look like they're creating chaos, but they're actually making the lives of the people of earth more enriching and freer. The once bleak global society is changing. Nations are changing. Institutions are changing. Your life will change as well. Take a bite of the donors and taste the extraterrestrial joy, and that is the idea behind it. The specs: the donors is collection of 10,000 hand-drawn NFTs by Korean-American artist Jenny. Each donor is comprised of a hat or a glazed eyes, mouth, body, background, a charity badge trait. Each reflects their personalities. All the donors are special, but some are rarer than others. Their traits can be common, uncommon, rare, and mythical. The donors are stored on the Ethereum token on the Ethereum blockchain and hosted by IPFS. Having a look at the way they've developed this idea, the way they've input the artistic approach, the creativity that's gone into developing this NFT is absolutely brilliant, and the soul that has gone into creating this is quite interesting as well. And the reason behind this is the fact that the team that has built it has a lot of experience. Looking at the donors, you got the fur, the moon, the robot, the gold, and the lava. The roadmap: any successful NFT needs to have a successful roadmap. It needs to have a clear dimension. It needs to have a clear direction. It needs to have a clear aim. It needs to have clear objectives. It needs to understand where it's going, how it's going, and how it's going to get there. And the strategy that needs to be developed, and how that strategy needs to be implemented, and how that strategy needs to be executed. Combining all these factors creates a successful NFT. Looking at the roadmap, there's 7,000 donors original collections that will be minted, with 10% of the mint earning, and part of the royalties will be donated to charities, and the community collectively decided where to donate. So this is one of the biggest elements of this particular NFT. Munchkins ready to be baked for the donor holders. The donors original collection holders will receive a free mint pass. We will relieve our donut factory metaverse built for the donors holders in the sandbox, and donors NFT grant access to the donut factory with the members only benefits such as passes to concerts and celebrities and private events with companies. Major blockchain game project will offer exclusive whitelists with airdrops to the donor holders. A member exclusive merchandise stores will get unlocked as well, featuring limited edition t-shirts, hoodies, and other goodies. Collaboration with famous local brands will allow exclusive giveaways and discounts to donor holders, and connecting the community with the big corporations willing to engage in corporate social responsibility (CSR) activities through the Donarz NFTs, a collaboration with the NFT collections with Donarz and other NFT projects. Celebrities and brands will be auctioned as well, and these NFTs will be sold to companies for the CSR process. Now, looking at the roadmap, you can clearly see a clear indication that the way they've developed this strategy, the team that has developed this strategy, is based on helping society, and they feel that they have a social responsibility towards society, and that is why the CEO, the CPO, the CTO, and the artist and the community manager, all of these individuals are people who have experience in the NFT space. These individuals have been working in the NFT space, in the crypto space, and the play to earn space, and they understand what strategy needs to be developed and how that strategy needs to be executed and how that strategy needs to be implemented. Combining all these factors and combining the fact that they have so much experience under one roof, this is a recipe for success. And that is why this particular NFT is so sought out right now by so many enthusiasts that are thinking of getting and investing their time and their money in an NFT. Like I said, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. I've done a lot of reviews of other NFTs which are available on my channel, the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And let me show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is a very interesting space. They have 9,171 followers. Winning an increase that by one number, they have 9,172 now. And the reason why I've done it, I want you guys to follow their Twitter as well, because the Twitter is where you will get up-to-date information about Donarz. You can clearly see that there will be minted on the 25th of April at 6 a.m. and April 27th at 6 a.m. And the public sale is going to be April 28th, and the mint cost is going to be a pre-sale 0.045 Ethereum and a public sale 0.06 Ethereum and 6 max per wallet Donarz you can get. And looking at the information and the engagement they tend to have with their community is actually inspiring. And the reason behind that is the fact that if you want to see any successful NFT, you gotta check out how much engagement they have with their users. The more engagement they have, the better that NFT is going to be. And we can clearly see the level of engagement Donarz tends to have. And Donarz is an organization, is a team, is a project that understand what their users want and what their user needs. And combining all these elements together, they're creating a recipe for success. And that is why this will be one of the biggest NFTs in the NFT space. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a message on YouTube or on Facebook in the comment section below. I will definitely reply back to you. If you have any particular clarifications that you need or any more information that you want, you can always drop me a message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel on the Educational Network. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.